Let's continue with our questions. We are on question what now? 1.2. The tuck shop owner was not able to sell all the loaves of bread delivered daily. He calculated the mean of loaves sold over the 18 days to be 20. Calculate the number of loaves of bread which were not sold over the 18 days. So now what we have here, we have the number of loaves that were ordered. So number of loaves ordered in these 18 days. Okay, so the mean was 22. You can say 22 times 18, or we know that when we added all those data items, we got 396 loaves. Okay, but now he says he calculated the mean number of loaves sold over 18 days to be 20. So it means what? How many loaves in total were sold? So it means there were, let's say, number of loaves sold. Okay, it would be 18 times 20. 18 times 20. Okay, and then which is 360 loaves. See that? Okay, so we have the number of loaves that were ordered, and then the number of loaves that were sold. Okay, coming from the mean and the number of the days there, which is actually the number of data items. So we can use even our formula. Remember, the mean is equal to the sum of the data items divided by the number of data items, isn't it? So now if our mean is 20, and then we have 18 data items, how do we find the sum of the data items? We say 18 times 20, like we're multiplying by 18 on both sides of the equation. 20 times 18 is equal to the sum of the data items. Okay, right. So now, therefore, the number of loaves that were not sold over the 18 days. So therefore, let me say therefore here, number of loaves not sold is equal to 396 minus 360, which is 36 loaves. Okay, done. Or you could have said that the mean of bread ordered is what? The mean for bread ordered is what? Is 22. And then the mean of the bread sold is 20. So it means the mean of the bread not sold is 2. See that? And then you say 2 times 18. 2 times 18, you still get your 36 loaves there.